So when you want to transform a video, you're going to see the following, let's say, not nice thing. What happens is I'm on the video and I'm going to use pitch or yaw, and you see that the image gets really distorted, or for the yaw. And when you use this effect, it just doesn't look good. So what do? You need to transform this one into a 3D version. You do this by just having a clip selected, going to the Fusion tab, and from here we're gonna need to add a couple of things. I press Control and space to open this, and then we go for 3D. And what do we need? At first we need an image plane. 3D, add. Then we need a transform 3D to actually make our transformation. And then we do not only need to transform it, we also need to render it. So render 3D, add. And now we connect our media in. We connect our media in like this, and our media out. Let's go to the transform tab, and I'm gonna at first do a little bit of scaling to get this one a little bit bigger. And then, as you can see, for rotation, now we have a perfect rotation without distortion, because it's three-dimensional. Let me just pull this back, set this to 0. And what we can do, for example, here is we go into the beginning, set a keyframe on here, go later, and set a keyframe here where we do a little bit of a bend. And it looks like this. And this is the effect you want. I hope this helped you, and see you in the next one. Bye.